Hi, Kevin here. Well, I'm getting ready to make a pizza, except I'm not going to be making my own crust because it's just too darn hot outside. So I'm going to take the easy route and make the kind of pizzas that my mother used to make when I was about 10 years old. Have a look. So what I have here are 3 English muffins that I split with a fork, so I ended up with 6 halves, and I did toast these in the oven for about 10 minutes. And my oven is set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, your mother probably made English muffin pizzas for you when you were a kid. So what I'm going to do is put some store-bought pizza sauce on them. And oh, how I loved these English muffin pizzas when I was a little boy. It was like a real treat. I used to walk to school in the morning because the school was only a couple of blocks away from our house. And then I would come home from school for lunch. We had, I think, an hour-long lunch break. And the lunch break happened to coincide with reruns of the TV series Bewitched. That was one of my favorite shows when I was growing up. So I got to have lunch at home and watch an episode of Bewitched at the same time. By the way, you definitely want to toast the English muffins before you top them with anything. Otherwise, you'll end up with soggy pizzas. Then I tried this pizza sauce, and I know it was a little bland, so I'm sprinkling the sauce with a little garlic powder. Then I have some diced green bell pepper and some diced onion that I sauteed earlier. I'm going to put this on top of the sauce. You could actually put green pepper and onion or some other kind of sauteed vegetables directly on the English muffins and then put the sauce on top of that. My mother always used green peppers whenever she made pizza. And she didn't only make English muffin pizzas. She also made deep dish pizzas, which were fabulous. She'd make several deep dish pizzas and then freeze the ones that we were not eating right away. Now, what else do I want to put on here? Yeah, I want to put some store-bought, store-shredded mozzarella cheese. It's great to have this kind of recipe in your repertoire for very hot summer evenings. Now I'm adding some sliced pepperoni. Well, I will finish topping these pizzas with the pepperoni and then I'll come back. Okay, the English muffins are covered with the pepperoni, and now I'm just going to add a tiny bit more of the mozzarella cheese. I'm probably going to eat 3 of these tonight, and then the other 3 will be my lunch tomorrow. And this is what they look like. Okay, I'm going to pop these into the preheated 375 degree oven until the cheese melts, and that's going to take about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back. Okay, while the pizzas are cooking, I wanted to show you the salad I'm going to serve with the dinner. And by the way, it's only me for dinner tonight. Mr. Fox is in New York City. Now, this is one Pink Lady apple that I diced. And I'm just putting them in this little custard cup. And then I'm going to top them with some red wine vinaigrette. The vinaigrette will not only stop the apples from oxidizing, but it's going to give them a terrific flavor. And then I'm going to serve the apples on top of some baby arugula leaves. Okay, we'll come back when the pizzas are ready and I'll show you what everything looks like on the plate. Okay, here are the English muffin pizzas. And look, they're not the least bit soggy. Here's the salad with the apples that were soaked in red wine vinaigrette. And here are the leftover pizzas, which will be my lunch tomorrow. Okay, are you ready? Okay, these are very, very good. I loved them when I was 10 years old, and I love them now when I'm not 10 years old. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to do another smoothie in the morning and then maybe a little garden tour. So I hope you'll join me. And again, thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye for now.